More than ever, a durable, reliable, upright freezer is an intelligent investment for you and your family. While most folks don't have the capacity to make room for one in a limited kitchen space, many homeowners do have an idea where they'd like to put that backup freezer. That's why we're going to take a look at high-quality freezers for garage storage. What is the best upright freezer for garage spaces? Our pick is the Midea WHS-109FW1 Upright Freezer. For maximum flexibility, this upright fridge has a reversible door that can swing from left or right. Perhaps more importantly, it keeps your food cold and well preserved, up to 105 pounds. We've researched and discovered the 8 top-rated upright freezers for garage usage on the market, plus one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, the Midea WHS-109FW1 Upright Freezer. Firstly, the Midea WHS-109FW1 is ENERGY STAR certified, so the addition of a freezer to your home doesn't have to be the beginning of outrageous energy bills. After all, the point of a freezer is usually to save money and hassle on frequent trips to the store. Because its design is tall and narrow, this freezer is easily inserted into most garage spaces with no problem, leaving you plenty of room to gain access and get around. The 2 fixed shelves and wire drawer make organization a breeze, and the 1-year warranty offers some peace of mind. Impressively, the Midea WHS-109FW1 holds up to 105 pounds of food. This makes it great for hunters, people who like to buy in bulk, or folks who have large families. Also, the door seals very tight, ensuring that your food stays fresh and frozen. Overall, the Midea WHS-109FW1 is the highest quality upright freezer overall for garage spaces. Lastly, you can remove the shelves and the drawer, so there's a lot of options for arranging and organizing all of your frozen goods, regardless of size or shape. Now for some pros. It has a mechanical temperature adjustment, a reversible door. It comes with 2 shelves and a removable drawer, and holds up to 105 pounds of food. Now for a couple of cons. The door is somewhat difficult to open, and the thermostat's on the back of the unit. Coming in at number 2, the Whynter CUF210SS ENERGY STAR Upright Freezer Stainless Steel. Especially ideal for small spaces, the Whynter CUF210SS ENERGY STAR Upright Freezer is another ENERGY STAR energy saver. We especially like its sleek, sturdy steel exterior. All of these units are functional, but it definitely doesn't hurt when they improve the decor. The Whynter CUF210SS ENERGY STAR Upright Freezer has a front opening door for easy access to all your frozen goods and a lock to keep everything safe and secure. The reversible door is very handy when deciding where to place your freezer, and this unit comes with a strong, reliable compressor. Because it's specifically intended for kitchen, basement, or garage use, you can place it in any of these spaces with confidence. Thanks to the removable shelves, there's plenty of opportunity to switch things up and get creative with the compact space. If you're just looking for a little extra storage for overflow groceries, this might be a great option for you. The R600A compressor is known to be a high quality and consistent, so you're not sacrificing anything by opting for this smaller model. Now for those pros. Stainless steel, security lock, reversible door, low noise level, and the R600A compressor. Now for some cons. The motor doesn't have a cover on it, and the door is difficult to switch from left to right. And now, coming in at number 3, the Frigidaire FGVU21F8QF ENERGY STAR rated upright convertible freezer with bright LED theater lighting. One of the best things about the Frigidaire FGVU21F8QF upright convertible freezer is that it can be either a fridge or a freezer. So versatility is the name of the game here. For freezing purposes, it's superb because there's plenty of storage space inside. And it's not just another ugly castaway in the garage. This Frigidaire looks clean and classy wherever you decide to place it. The stainless exterior is easy to clean and always appealing to the eye because it's smudge-proof. Inside, there's a capacity of 20.5 cubic feet. One really special feature with this freezer is the Arctic Lock thicker walls, which can keep food frozen for up to 2 days in the event of a power outage. This feature cannot be overstated as an advantage. Anyone who's lost 100 pounds of food in a power outage can attest to that. And the frost-free option means you get to escape the hassle of manually defrosting your freezer. It's not a big deal on smaller units, but you want to avoid manual defrost on a freezer of this size. The addition of a freezer is supposed to make your life easier, not harder. So units like the Frigidaire FGVU21F8QF stand out for their ease of use, convenience, and reliability. The LED theater lighting makes endlessly rummaging through your freezer a thing of the past and helps you keep all of your frozen foods well organized. Now for the pros. The Freezer Refrigerator Combo. ENERGY STAR certified. The LED theater lighting and color-coordinated plastic baskets with clips. Now for the cons. The temperature control display shows the desired temperature, not the actual temperature. Looking to learn more about the upright freezers for garage storage in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, the Kenmore Elite 27002 Upright Freezer. Obviously, we're going to mention the room of your choice delivery. This is such a huge bonus, especially for single people or people who just don't have the means to move a large appliance on their own. Most appliances don't offer this service, so Kenmore gets major bonus points for customer service on this one. Another thing we like about the Kenmore Elite 27002 is the Freeze Fresh technology. What this means for you is that this freezer keeps your food at a chilly -20 degrees to seal in freshness and nutrients. There are baskets, shelves, trays, all of the storage space options and organizational features you would find in a standard fridge. Also, you get a frost-free design, so you avoid the manual defrost with this unit. The Express Chill function allows you to set a desired temperature and sit back as the freezer works to reduce temperatures to -30 degrees. To expedite food preservation, the Kenmore Elite 27002 will hold this low temp for up to 72 hours. This is another unit with good capacity, bright LED lighting, and a soft freeze zone, perfect for items like ice cream. The fan can get a little loud, but if it's in the garage, do you really care? If you're looking for twice the cubic feet you currently have with your conventional fridge, this is a great freezer for the garage. Now for those pros. Room of choice delivery. It freezes food at -20 degrees. Frost-free design, no manual defrost, and the Express Chill function. Now for a couple of cons. The fan can get loud, and the alarm is difficult to hear from another room. Coming in at number 5, the Whynter FM951GW 95 quart wheeled door alert option portable true freezer. Although this is a small freezer, it still has plenty to offer. If you're not looking for a huge cubic feet storage amount of food, the Whynter FM951GW 95 quart is probably worth taking a look at. It comes complete with some of the impressive features of the larger units too. This is another unit that can be used as a freezer or refrigerator. It comes with side handles for convenient mobility and actually makes a great travel companion if you should want to take it camping or on your boat. Its compact size means you'll have absolutely no trouble finding the perfect place for it in your garage, even if you have limited space. Plus, it's a true portable freezer, so you can wheel it out of your garage, throw it in your truck, and take it on the road. The outer casing is durable and the entire unit is sturdy. Its size is 95 quarts. Like the larger models on our list, the Whynter FM95GW95 Quart comes with bright LED temperature controls display, fast freeze mode, and a powerful compressor. Impressively, this little unit also has a power low indicator light and open door warning system for added security. Now for those pros. It's easily portable. It can be used as a freezer or refrigerator. LED temperature display, and insulated lid and walls. Now for some cons. It's pricey and has a smaller capacity. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite upright freezer for garage storage. Click the subscribe button and tap that notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now, coming in at number 6, the Antarctic Star Compact Chest Upright Freezer Single Door Reversible Stainless Steel. In keeping with the theme of space saving, the Antarctic Star Compact Chest Freezer is a fine choice if you're working with modest amounts of overflow food. It goes great in the home office, basement, or garage. It's also the recommended option of upright freezer for garage storage on a budget. Thanks to its reversible door and compact size, it's easy to find the perfect spot for this freezer. Also, you can choose from silver, white, or black. One interesting aspect of this freezer is its food-grade interior material. Basically, this means that the material on the inside of the freezer is safe to come in contact with your food. You can easily move the shelves around to make more space or organize your goodies. And of course, there's an adjustable temperature so you can cool things to your liking. It's a solid option for someone who wants to store just a bit more food than usual to avoid unnecessary trips to the store. Lastly, if you're looking to save energy, the Antarctic Star Chest Freezer may be the perfect choice. You won't have to give too much thought on how to move it, where to place it, or whether it's worth the cost. Overall, this is the best small upright freezer for garage usage on our list. Now for some pros. Stainless steel, a reversible door, removable shelves, and it's a space saver. Now for a few cons. It's relatively pricey, appears to lack an interior light, and has limited storage capacity. Coming in at number 7, the Sunpentown UF114W Upright Freezer with Energy Star. The Sunpentown UF114W Upright Freezer is a compact freezer upright with front opening that comes in white or gray. As a brand, Sunpentown is incredibly popular in restaurants, hotels, and bars. You may have even used one in your hotel room. Conveniently, this small freezer is very easy to set up. Because of its size, you shouldn't have any trouble finding the right spot for it in your garage. If you're looking to store extra meat, dog food, or just some bulky items you've stocked up on to save money, this is a nice option. When you see the Energy Star certification, you know you're in good hands with regard to saving money on your monthly bill. Also, you can leave the wire shelf intact or remove it, depending on what you're storing. To keep things running smoothly, there's an adjustable thermostat, and to ensure versatility, the front door is reversible. While you'll have to do manual defrost on this unit, it's really not much of a hassle considering the cubic feet of size available. Now for some pros. It's Energy Star certified, has a reversible door, the removable wire shelf, and it's compact. Now here's a couple of cons. The temperature setting knob is hard to reach, and it's manual defrost only. And now, coming in at number 8, the SPT UF304SS Upright Freezer Stainless Steel. Last on our best of list, but certainly not least, is the SPT UF304SS Upright Freezer. It's a classic steel upright with a front opening reversible door and a recessed handle. The net capacity is 3 cubic feet. We love ENERGY STAR certified appliances, as you can probably tell. Energy efficiency? Sign us up. There's some nice, sturdy shelving in the interior of this unit and a mechanical adjustable thermostat. Because this unit's not particularly heavy, most people should be able to move and install it with ease. Whether you want to place this unit in your garage, kitchen, or basement, it runs very quietly. It's easy to clean, which is an important feature in any appliance where food storage space is involved. And for the size, you'll be impressed with just how much you can fit. Now here's some pros. Stainless steel, ENERGY STAR certified, the mechanical adjustable thermostat, and a reversible door. Now for a couple of cons. Manual defrost, and the shelves are not adjustable. And now for the Freshness.com Upright Freezer for Garage Storage to avoid. The Gladiator GarageWorks GAFZ21XXRK Freezerator Convertible Refrigerator Freezer. Where to begin? While we'd encourage anyone to pick up a freezer if backup food storage space is imminent, we have to be upfront about the one you absolutely need to avoid. The Gladiator GarageWorks GAFZ21XXRK Freezerator is the unlucky winner of that prize, thanks to its inconsistency and unreliability. While it looks cool, this Gladiator freezer doesn't have a whole lot else going for it, and when it comes to storing and freezing perishable food, you simply cannot risk a freezer that's going to thaw all of your valuable, necessary items. Not only does it have a well-established reputation for being shoddy, this appliance is actually designed so that the parts can't be accessed, serviced, or replaced. Unfortunately, we cannot recommend the Gladiator Garage Freezer, even if you're hard up. It's bound to break down, not keep your food, and end up wasting you a lot of time and money. You are better off with any of the other options for the top-rated upright freezers on the market. And now, for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying an upright freezer for garage storage. Garage freezers have been popular for a long time. People in more rural areas who aren't able to hop on over to the market every day generally like to stock up for the long term, and hunters often need multiple freezers to keep all of their seasonal meat fresh. When grocery trips become a real hassle, the need for an additional refrigeration unit has become more pronounced. If supplies are running low, it's time to make a pick on the upright freezer that suits your needs. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite upright freezer for garage storage. Click the subscribe button and tap that notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.